Hey guys, I know it's been a crazy week for everybody. I'm here to show you how to make a slideshow in PowerPoint so you can record over it and upload it to YouTube so your kids can watch it. So first thing you want to do is open up your PowerPoint. I'm going to use my famous holes one over here. And then I'm going to come up to this tab that says recording at the top. And all of the district laptops should have this. Once you click on that and you click record slideshow, it's going to bring you into this dialog. You get a preview of your webcam, and most district laptops have a webcam. I think it's important for for our kids to see our faces right now so that we're not just weird disembodied voices, but if you don't like that, you can turn it off by clicking the camera icon and it will go away. So you're just going to click record, and it's going to give you this nifty little countdown. It's going to tell you that you're recording with the red dot there. And keep in mind, everything that's recorded is attached to a specific slide. So if I advance the slide, I need to stop talking for a second. Over here, you've got these little tools that can be fun. You've got a pen, so you can annotate over whatever it is. Like we can circle drilled. If I want to highlight something, this one's the highlighter. And this thing here is the eraser. And when you're done recording, you're just going to press stop. Now, you can still hear my voice because I'm actually using recording software to record myself over a recording. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit X, and it's going to bring me back to my slideshow, and you can see the preview of me talking there. To turn it into a video, you're going to use export to video. It defaults to full HD. Considering a lot of our kids are going to be watching this on a phone, I'm going to drop it down to regular HD 720p. You want it to say use recorded timings and narrations, and then you just click create video. It's going to ask you for a place to save it. I made a folder on my desktop called videos, and I'm just going to put it there because it's going to be easier for me to find. Okay, and down here you can see it's creating the holes video. You need to leave it alone while it's doing this. It usually takes a minute or so. As far as uploading to YouTube, make yourself a YouTube account. If you have a Gmail account, you link them and it works beautifully. And you can just upload it quickly. I like to upload stuff to YouTube and then link it in Canvas for two reasons. One, YouTube doesn't compress things as badly as Canvas. So if you're trying to show a demonstration on like really detailed software, which is what I do, it's easier to see it in YouTube than it is in a straight Canvas video. Also, you can set permissions. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to minimize here and I'm going to go to YouTube, and I want to show you guys this. This is an unlisted video because only people with this link need to be able to see that. That's not something my students or anybody in particular need to access. So if it says unlisted, the only way that the kids can access that is if you provide them the link in Canvas. All of these others that don't say it are wide open. That's why they've got like 6,000 views, because teachers all over the country use these videos, and that's cool. But the other reason that I like to put the videos on YouTube rather than just on Canvas is YouTube will auto close caption them. So that adds a layer of accessibility for our kids, especially if they're in a house and they don't have headphones and they don't want to have their teacher's voice on top of all the other noise that's going on in their house. So my other suggestion for those of you who this is your first rodeo teaching like this is keep it short. I would not go over 5 to 6 minutes on each video. All right, good luck, and if you have any questions, Mustangs, you know how to get a hold of me.